Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? Just to let you know that last night, in the forex market for US dollar and Japanese yen, it actually rise up by 2 yen within 4 hours, and that makes it to 200 pips, and that's over $1,000 profit if you traded one lot at that time. Just to say that the US presidential election is actually start to affect the forex market, so which makes it perfect timing for us to start placing trades in the forex market to aim for long-term profits. And for buy option trader is okay as well. I took a look at the market at the price movement today, and it's surprisingly stable. And then I will explain to you to the on the price movement later while I trade. For today, I'm just gonna show you how you're gonna use another everyday strategy to trade the US presidential election. The strategy I'm using today is the GMMA, and then I'm just adding in another indicator, which is the simple moving average to help me to identify the trend better. Just let me set up the indicators first, and I will explain it the detail on how you can use this strategy and how you can aim for profit after the US presidential election. So go to technical indicator. Okay, just that one right there. Yep, click on it, and then now we select the simple moving average, put a tick right there, and then we'll open the drop down. Okay, now with this SMA1 and SMA2. So for this strategy, we're only using SMA3, and then next we'll go to parameter. And then for SMA3, we will change it to 100. So again, SMA3, we change it to 100. And after we get it down, we put a tick on GMMA. That's the second indicator that we're gonna use. And for GMMA, it's actually on default, so nothing to change for GMMA. And yep, close the technical indicators window. So the last thing, we just need to make sure that the chart period is set to 1 minute. And then option period, we will set it to 3 minutes. So for today, I will be trading with 3 minutes option. Okay, so now that's all set, and then I can browse on different currency pairs here, and then just explain it to you on how do I use this strategy. Okay, so yep, just browsing on different pairs here, and yep, again for today as well, it seems like the overall market movement is in a trend market. So most of the currency pairs are giving me a nice smooth trend, so which makes it really tempting for me to look at all the currency pairs. Okay, just let me place a trade first, and then I will explain it to you how I place this trade. First thing first, this strategy is a trend following strategy. So to place a trade, we first need to identify a trend direction. So how do I do that? So basically, I just look at the simple moving average. So now we see that the simple moving average is below the candlestick and is heading upward. So now we can say that okay, the trend is in a uptrend. So all I need to do is just to look for the right timing to place a high option. So after we confirm the trend direction, we move on to the GMMA. So now we need to look at the relationship between the two groups of line. So you see that when I place a trade, the red line actually it was compressing, and then it actually come out from the blue lines, and then it becomes the relationship of the two groups of the line becomes the red lines are on top of the blue lines, and that was actually an indication for me to open a high position. So when the red lines compressed, and after the compression it started to expand, and then that is gonna be the timing for us to open a trade. So that's what I did there. So now I still have quite a long time left, and the price was going against me, but after a while it started to move into my favorite direction, and I not to worry on this trade here. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna fast the trade for a little bit, and then I will jump straight into the into the result. Okay, so well, let me fast forward a bit. So yep, it's almost there, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a profitable trade. Okay, so yep, that's a clear win. So that's way above my entry price. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just I'm just gonna browse on different currency pairs here, and hopefully I will show you another purchase timing for me to open a low option so that I can show you the timing on both high and low purchase. So okay, so yep, that's a good one here. So okay, so well, again, let me place a trade first, and I explain it to you how I do it. Okay, so well, this one might not be as obvious. So well, first I confirm that the market is in a downtrend by looking at the simple moving average. So now we see that the yellow line is above the candlesticks and is heading downward, and then now we say that okay, the market is in a downtrend. So next I just need to move on to GMMA, and then I see that the red lines are below the blue lines, and then you see that little bullish candlestick there. The red line actually compressed a little bit, and after the compression it started to expand, and I just placed a trade at when it was started to expand. And then now, I just wait for a little bit more, and I think this trade is gonna end in profit as well. So again, as I mentioned just now, the US dollar and Japanese yen actually rise up by 200 pips to end within 4 hours last night. And if I traded one lot at that time, the profit I'm gonna get is gonna be above $1,000. So you see the trend here, the price movement here. Even though the price went up that much within 4 hours, but then if we look at this 1 minute chart here, the movement is still really gradual and really smooth, and that is the movement that we want to trade with, a stable, gradual, and smooth trend. That's the trend, that's the price movement that we want to trade with, and that is going to help us to improve our winning ratio. So again, after the US presidential election, this is the perfect timing for us to enter the market and to aim for profit. So if you are a forex trader, take a look at the forex chart, and then I'm pretty sure you're gonna be surprised on how much it went up last night. So well, for binary option trader, as I mentioned just now, the chart is really smooth, and the price is developing really gradually, and that is the perfect timing for us to open trades as well. So well, anyway, let's take a look at the result for today. So I made 2 trades today, and both trades were end in profit, and the total profit for today is $150. So well, that's not bad. So because I traded in a smooth trend, and then that actually gives me a really high winning percentage. So okay, so well, if you do have any question on the strategy itself, or if you do have any question on how to trade the US presidential election, just put a comment down there, and then I can get back to you as soon as possible. So well, that's pretty much it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.